just seeing him do what he loves to do. Very, very proud. Yeah, and I'm getting teary now, too.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. And let's start with your name, please.
My name is Kelvin Dukes.
Okay. And Kelvin, how old are you?
I am 14 years old.
Have you ever performed in front of as many people as this?
Actually, I believe it was my first performance. I was 9 years old, and it was so funny. I was singing, I was doing what I was doing, then I stopped and accidentally burp in front of the whole judges, which was like really embarrassing.
Kelvin, what's the big dream? Where would you like to see yourself maybe in 5 years' time if you were to do well or win this show?
Definitely still singing, still doing music, but I also want to become a dentist in the future as well.
Good.
I love that.
I went to dentist school in Colombia, but I didn't finish.
Oh.
Okay, Kelvin, we have about 3,000 people here, 4 at the panel, and we're all wishing you that this 2 minutes could change your life forever.
Thank you. Thank you.
He reminds me of my Henry, same age.
Ain't no way for me to love you if you won't let me. Said ain't no way for me to give you all you need if you let me be. Oh, but how can I give you all of the things I can if you're tying both of my hands? Whoa, it ain't no way for me to love you if you won't let me. Thank you.
Wow! That was pretty amazing.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, let me start with Heidi, please.
You were awesome.
Thank you
Big
so much.
big song to sing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Big voice, and you did it justice.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Howie.
You know, first of all, you are great and talented. Oh, excuse me. Anyway, I thought that... Sorry. So embarrassing.
I can't believe you just did that.
But you are amazing.
Thank
I
you.
love you. America loves you, and this room loves you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sophia.
For me, it was like perfection. I wouldn't change a thing. I think you're so comfortable being there. Like, I can feel that you want to be here. I think you're gonna do great too.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I have to say, Kelvin, from the minute you walked out and the minute you started even just talking to us, I just thought, I really like you.
Thank
and
you.
And then you started singing, and it's like, you really have got a special talent. You genuinely
Thank
have.
you.
It was an amazing audition.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Now the important part starts.
Yeah.
Let's start with Howie.
Okay, I'll be honest. It's a no to dentistry and a yes to singing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Heidi?
It's a definite yes. Of course it is.
Thank you. Thank you.
Of course, a yes.
Thank you.
As I said, I think you've got 3,004 yeses.
Thank you.